Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to securely set up your virtual private server. And the first thing you want to do is set up Duo Two-Factor Authentication. For that, we need to head over to signup.duo.com and start filling out your information. Name and last name, email. For are you an MSP, reseller, or partner? Select no, unless you are. Number of employees. Use your real phone number for two-factor authentication verification, as Duo will require this. Under company name, enter the name of your organization. I'm going to use Spyro, since it's my name as a creative. Once you complete the registration, you should see a green check mark confirming your account is created. Important, your connection to the VPS will require an integration key, secret key, and API hostname. These must be kept private. Open your email and click the verification link. A new tab will open. Click Get Started, then create and confirm your password. Click Continue, then Skip for now. Now you have to download Duo Mobile so you can log in using the verification code sent to your phone. On the search bar, type Duo Two-Factor Authentication and open duo.com. Click Login and enter your credentials. Enter the 2FA code sent to your phone and you're in. Now enter to this link. Click on Download, and it will scroll down automatically to step number 6. Click Duo Authentication for Windows Logon Installer Package to start the download. The download link is in the video description. On the left side, click Applications, then Protect an Application. Use the filter by keyword and type Windows. Click on Microsoft RDP. This should be the first option. This will take you to a page with your integration key, secret key, and API hostname. Copy the API hostname. Open the downloaded .exe file and start the installation. When prompted, paste the API hostname, then click Next. Do the same for the integration key and secret key, then click Next. Leave the second option selected, then click Next a couple more times. Click Install, and when everything is done, hit Finish. Go back to your Duo dashboard. On the left, click Users. Click Add User. Under Username, enter the same username from Remote Desktop Connection. It should be Administrator and not Aspiro. Optionally, add a display name and email address. Scroll down to Phones, then click Add Phone and enter your phone number. Under Device Info, click Activate Duo Mobile. Generate Duo Mobile activation code. Send instructions by SMS. If everything is correct, you'll see, using Duo Mobile 4.8.1.0. Last seen, seconds ago. To confirm everything is working, go back to Users. If your username appears incorrectly, e.g. Spyro instead of Administrator, open it, update it, and save changes. Open Remote Desktop Connection and click Connect. As you can see, in both Remote Desktop Connection and Duo, the username is already the same, Administrator. If everything was set up correctly, you'll see the Duo security screen. Check your phone. Click the green tick to approve the login. Once approved, and you're in. Now go to your browser and type in the search bar. Source servers, GitHub. All links are in the description for easy access. Scroll down to the Assets section and download Source Utility Setup 1.0.5.exe. Move the file to your VPS desktop and open it. If a security message appears, click More Info and then on Run Anyway. Wait for the installation to finish. A new window should open automatically. On the left, click RDP Security. By default, a port number will appear. Change it. Click Randomize to get a random RDP port number, then click Change. If successful, you'll see Success. Changed RDP port at the bottom left. Click Restart RDP. It may disconnect you, but don't worry, that's normal. Open Remote Desktop Connection, add colon next to your new RDP port at the end of the VPS IP address. Click Connect and wait. Open the Duo app on your phone and click the green tick to approve the login. Open Windows Settings and go to Accounts. Click on Sign In Options. Click Change Your Password and set a new one for extra security. Have questions? Drop a comment below. Check out the links in the description for all the downloads and resources. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any future tutorials.